Well, welcome to a secret shop that has a special car being rebuilt, and maybe you've seen it before. It's an EV1 General Motors car that was originally manufactured in 1997, and this is one of the only ones that are available in private hands. The owner, Billy, is here working with Jared, and they're completely rebuilding the car. They have a new lithium batteries for it, and
right over the top of that
a
one.
real labor of love. This is the motor they just took out. There's the owner, Billy. And then I drove my Honda Insight here to the shop. Both of these cars were under development at the same time to be a very high efficiency electric or hybrid vehicle. The Honda Insight was the world's first a hybrid car. Mine is a 2000 Insight, and I love driving it. It's got 204,000 miles on it. It's very exciting to be here during the teardown of the EV1. It's very encouraging to see the renewal of interest in energy efficient vehicles. I'm also looking forward to maybe getting an Aptera to replace my Honda Insight when it finally bites the dust. There's the comparison between the two cars.